Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Let's get started. Let's explore the word, what. What means used to inquire about specific information or to ask for clarification. You can use what to ask about the identity, nature, or purpose of something. For example, you might use what to ask for details about an object, event, action, or concept. In a sentence, you could say, "What is your favorite color?" to inquire about someone's preference. Now, repeat after me. What? What? Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. What time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 10 a.m. in the conference room.
What is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm planning to go hiking with some friends.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny with a chance of showers later in the day.
What do you want for your birthday?
I haven't decided yet, maybe something practical.
What time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m.
What are your plans for the holidays?
I'm thinking of visiting my family and relaxing at home.
What is your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting and playing the guitar in my free time.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to spend time outdoors and try new restaurants.
What is the meaning of this word?
The meaning of the word is to express deep sorrow or regret.
What do you think about this proposal?
I think it has potential, but there are some areas that need clarification.
What is the best way to learn a new language?
The best way is to immerse yourself in the language and practice regularly.
What do you need help with?
I need help understanding this concept for my exam.
What is the price of this item?
The price is $50, but there's a discount available if you buy 2 or more.
What are your thoughts on climate change?
I believe it's a significant issue that requires urgent action.
What is the main idea of this article?
The main idea is to raise awareness about environmental conservation.
What do you want to eat for dinner?
I'm craving Italian food, how about you?
What is your opinion on social media?
I think it has both positive and negative impacts on society.
What do you hope to achieve in the next year?
I hope to further my education and travel more.
And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.